Hello everyone, welcome to Tactim. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how to remove Google account from Android phone. Before starting the video, please subscribe to Tactim. So, let's get started. For this, you have to open your settings. Now scroll down and search for accounts. Here it is. You have to press on this. Now you'll find here your all Google account. You have to select them which you want to remove. Select one. Now you can see here remove account. If you want to remove it, then press on remove account. That's it. So this is how to remove Google account from your Android phone. So guys, that's it. You can do this. I think this video is very helpful to you. If it was, then give a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thanks for watching.